Hello yarn friends. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this very simple and easy toddler and child shirt. It can be made in any size up to an adult and it is very versatile. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, and leave me a comment down below. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much.
So to make this project, we will be making two identical panels and sewing them together. So here I have one panel. We will start at the bottom, work our way up, and then we will work the sleeves. So let's go ahead and get started. The materials I will be using for this pattern is this 4-weight Lamia baby cotton. You can use any cotton or 4-weight yarn of your choice. You will also need a pair of scissors, and I am using an H 5mm crochet hook. Now I will be making this in a size 5T. If you would like to make this into a larger size, just go ahead and increase or decrease by 2 stitches. So what I'm going to do is start with a slip stitch, and I'm simply going to go ahead and chain up 50. So go ahead and chain up your 50 and I will meet you back here. Okay, so here I have gone ahead and done my 50 chains. Now we are going to add an additional chain. Now into the 3rd stitch from the hook, so not the 1st, not the 2nd, but into the 3rd stitch from the hook, we are going to do a half double crochet. So we are simply going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. So we are actually going to place 2 half double crochets into that chain stitch. Now we are going to skip 1 stitch, and into the 2nd stitch we are going to work 2 half double crochets, just like that. Now we'll skip the next stitch, work 2 more half double crochets into the 2nd stitch. So we are going to repeat this all the way down our chain, just skipping 1 stitch and putting 2 half double crochets into the following. Go ahead and do this all the way to the end and I will meet you back here. Okay, so I have worked all the way across to the end, putting 2 half double crochets into the last stitch. Now we are going to chain up 2 and turn. We will do this at the end of every row. Now not into this 1st stitch, but into the 2nd stitch from the hook is where we are going to work our first set of half double crochets into the same stitch. So we will skip the next stitch, do 2 half double crochets into the following, and this is the pattern. So go ahead and do this for a total of 36 rows. Meet me back here and we will go ahead and start working the sleeves. Okay, now as you see here, I have gone ahead and done my 36 rows. Now what we want to do is go ahead and start the sleeve. So what we want to do is chain up 17, 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and chain up 17 and meet me back here. Okay, so now that I have chained my 17, I'm going to leave a tail and cut my yarn and go ahead and pull that tight through 1. Now what we want to do is move across to the other side of our work, and we are going to attach with a slip knot. Go ahead and go into that space, pull through, chain up 1, just like that. And go ahead and chain another 17 stitches and I'll meet you back here. Okay, so as you see here, I have gone ahead and chained my 17. Now not into the 1st stitch, not into the 2nd stitch, but into the 3rd stitch from your hook, you are going to make a half double crochet and make another half double crochet. Now we will skip 1 and into the next we will make 2 half double crochets. So we are going to just continue to do that all the way across our work and all the way to the other side to the end over here. So go ahead and do that and I will meet you back here. We will go ahead and turn and I will tell you how many rows to make for your sleeves. Okay, so here I have made my way all the way back down to the other side. Now I simply chain up 2, we turn our work and we will work all the way back down to the other side in the same manner that we have been working. So we'll skip that first stitch, and into the second stitch we will work 2 half double crochets, skip 1, work 2 half double crochets. We want to have a total of 9 rows for the sleeves. So go ahead and make a total of 9 rows, and I will meet you back here for the assembly for this top. Okay, so here I am at the end of my rows. I'm going to chain up 1, cut my yarn, and pull that through. Now what we want to do is simply make a second panel. We will want to line these up. Once you have them lined up, you will start here at the bottom and sew all the way up to the corner of your sleeve. You will sew along the bottom, leaving this open for your flap. You will want to pick and mark off 2 stitches and go ahead and sew the 2 tops right here. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and sew this together, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm all done. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like once I have sewn up the edge. I've sewn around the corner. I simply put an attachment right here, and where I want the shoulder part to be, I left this open for the neck. Attached here at the sleeve as well, and sewed down the side. Very simple, easy pattern. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.